Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Once again I'm back with my new video. I hope that you will enjoy this video, right? So I start with the understanding of the text. Dear friends, my dear students, it has been long since I uploaded my last video. I'm very sorry for my delay, but without wasting my time, I would like to tell you that I'm going to give you the last video, that is the third video for the lesson The Adventure by Jayant Narlikar, right? So here we go with the lesson. Now in this video, I'm going to give you only the question and answer, that is understanding the text. It will be a very short video. I hope that you will enjoy it. In question number 1, tick the statements that are true. So I've given here the statements here. Number 1, the story is an account of real events. It is false statement. Number 2, the story hinges on a particular historical event. It is true. You know that it happened related to the battle of Panipat, third battle of Panipat, and related to that historical background. So it is true. Number 3, Rajendra Deshpande was a historian. No, it is false. Number 4, the places mentioned in the story are all imaginary. This is false statement. Number 5, the story tries to relate history to science. It is true, right? So we come to the next part, that is briefly explain the following statements from the text. Number 1, you neither traveled to the past nor the future. You were in the present experiencing a different world. Answer, Rajendra Deshpande explained that Gangadhar Pant made a transition from one world to another world and came back again. In this way, Gangadhar Pant was able to experience two worlds, but he could do so one at a time. Number 2, you have passed through a fantastic experience, or more correctly, a catastrophic experience. Okay, so we come to the answer. Rajendra Deshpande said this to Professor Gangadhar Pant Gaitonde, that he had a unique experience of traveling into a different world. He had the experience of the parallel world for 2 days and the experience of the present world. Rajendra Deshpande explained that it was possible because of catastrophic experience in which there can be many alternatives simultaneously. However, a person can experience one alternative at a time. Number 3, Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country he knew with what he was witnessing around him. Professor Gangadhar Pant tried to compare the country he knew with the one he was experiencing all around him. He knew that the power of Peshwas gradually declined and the British colonized India. However, last 2 days he experienced that India had not been subjugated to slavery to the British. India had learned to stand on its feet and had self-respect. Slowly, India became a democracy. He compared these two different versions of India. Okay, now we come to number 4, the lack of determinism in quantum theory. Answer, Professor Gangadhar Pant Gaitonde made this statement. He confirmed that he heard about the lack of determinism in quantum theory. According to this theory, when an electron is fired from a source, it is not determined where it will go. It may go anywhere. This is called lack of determinism. This theory is developed in quantum physics, right? Now the last one, 5th one, you need some interaction to cause a transition. Answer, this was stated by Rajendra Deshpande. He explained that one needs an interaction to cause a transition. Professor Gaitonde made a transition while he was thinking about the catastrophe theory and the Battle of Panipat. Just at this time, the collision happened and the neurons in his brain triggered. So Gaitonde experienced the transition and transported into another world which was the version of India after the third battle of Panipat. Right? So dear friends, I come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. And this is a very short video. I will come back once again with another lesson very soon. If you have enjoyed this video, I would like to request you to kindly like, share and subscribe this video. Right? Thank you very much for being with me for this time. Have a good day. Bye.